Chant. First question. Wow. Who is Namacharya? Who is Namacharya? Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Haridas Thakur, Srivas Thakur.
Sir, screen is not fully visible, sir. Only partial screen is visible.
Visible now?
No, sir, screen is not fully visible, sir.
Are you the only one? The others also have the same problem?
No, sir, I can see the
No, sir, visible here.
Everybody is saying, so problem with you, Leela Govind.
Yes, sir.
Please change your system quickly. What you are operating, laptop or what?
Sir, I'm changing. Till now it was visible. Just now with this question only it is not showing properly. Okay, sir, you can go ahead. I don't.
Eh? Should I start? Go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let me know what is your status. Next question. So here 49 students gave the right answer. Haridas Thakur is the Namacharya. Why on earth there are 7 wrong answers? I can't actually believe. In this, we started with Haridas Thakur, Namacharya Haridas Thakur, we started. And you made a mistake. I thought that everybody should have done right. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Okay, Archit is the topper. Chahat, Abhishek Bansal, Bipul Arora, Nitish Bharadwaj. So they have done very well in this time. Next question. Reciting Haram, Haribo, Ramada. Examples are Nama Aparat, Nama Vas, Sudanam, all of these. Oh, yes. This is the example of Nama Bhasa. This is not Nama Aparat. So 47 students have given the right answer. And let us see the chart here. People are on the top. Abhishek. Who is this Abhishek? Bansal or Abhishek Panchal? I don't know. Jaiswal. अरे जायसवाल तो कैसे नाम चेंज कर दिया रे? पहले जायसवाल आता था. Chahat Uprati, Nitish Bharadwaj, Santosh SVD. Now next question. Namabhas reverses liberation. What does it mean? Eradication of all sins. Awakens Krishna Prema. Takes us back to Godhead. None of these. Wow, so many people made mistake. This is shocking. Namabhas reverses liberation. Liberation means eradication of all sins. It is not any of these others. So 34 have done right. Now let's go to the next question. So here, Vipul Arora still in the top. Gaur Gopal, Prem Raj, Ravi Prakash, Chahat Uprati on the top. Let's see. We usually chant Namabhas, pure Nama, Nama Aparad, Sudha Nama. We stand. Oh, 44 participants have done correct. We usually chant Nama Aparad. We chant with offense. And that is why we don't make progress fast. Okay, so let's go. What is happening here? Vipul Arora still in the top. Ajay Gudla is the new entry. Otherwise, this list is same. Let's go to next question. Nama has happened due to not chanting Vaishnava Aparad, maintaining material attachments even if properly instructed. All of this. 49 people gave the right answer. Great. Now, people, what happened, people? Acha. Acha, Prem Raj at the top. Radha Kant in the new entry. New entrant in the top 5. Jahatu Prati, Ajay Gudla, Abhishek Jaiswal, still in the top 5. Moving and non-moving get liberated by Nagar Sankirtan, Prabhat, loud chanting of holy name, loud chanting on beats, all of this. All of this is the right answer. Majority have done it right. So, wow, Radhakant has come now top. Ajay Gudla, Prem Raj, Abhishek, Jahatu Prati. What happened to people? Arora suddenly went down. Echo of a tree while loud chanting is pure Nama, Nama Bhasa, Nama Aparadha, noise. Don't rush, think fully, and then give answer. Nama Bhasa is the right answer. Someone said it is pure name. No, bete. Trees cannot have an ecstasy. Okay. Some said it is noise. No, 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 no. Wow. Ajay Gudla, Chahatu Prati, Abhishek, Prem Raj, while Radhakant Das in the top. Very fast he has come to the top. What will happen today? We don't know. Where did Haridas Thakur convert Maya prostitute? Benapole, Bilaspur, Jessore, Panihati. I am in shock. How could you give such a wrong answer? Benapole is the right answer. We have been talking from the beginning of our Namayagya. We started with Benapole and still 41 people gave the right answer. Radhakant in the top, Prem Raj, Abhishek, Suvendu has entered into top 5. Let's see. This is a multi-select question. Maya in Benapole, disciple of Haridas Thakur, chanted 3 lakhs names daily. What does it teach you? We should ignore our sinful past. Hearing a holy name as chanted by Haridas Thakur can transform anyone. We have great hope that one day we'll be blessed to chant your name and take 3 lakhs from anyone. It has multiple answers. After giving multiple answers, you must submit. This has 6 seconds to answer. All multi-answered question, multi-options have 60 seconds to answer. So there are 2 right answers. Hearing of pure holy name as chanted by Haridas Thakur can transform anyone. We have great hope that one day we will be blessed to chant pure name. These are the 2 answers. We should ignore our sinful past. No, we cannot ignore our sinful past. We should not brood over our sinful past, but we cannot ignore our sinful past. Chanting 3 lakhs names chanting 3 lakhs name can be highly offensive. Okay, mechanical. So only 2 right answer. Hearing a pure holy name as chanted by Haridas can transform anyone. And because Maya become a pure devotee, that gives hope that one day we'll be able to chant your name. So let us see what's happening in the points table. Radhakant Das has gone to 3rd place. Abhishek Jaiswal is still fighting Ajay Gudla in top 5. And the purport regarding the transformation of Maya, Srila Prabhupada gave the following rigid instruction to all of us. Incessantly chant, serve Tulsi Maharani regularly, chant minimum 16 rounds in front of Tulsi Maharani as we serve her nicely. All of this. Chant minimum 16 rounds in front of Tulsi Maharani as we serve her nicely. This is exactly Srila Prabhupada's instruction. But unfortunately, only 12 people have done wrong. I read this in the purport.
Only 12 people right.
What I said? No, only 12 people have given the right answer. This is too bad. This is too bad. Such a simple question and so many have made mistake. I'm very, very unhappy, my dear friends. Santosh suddenly has entered. Binay, is this Binay Gupta? You are in the top 5. Huh? And our Jaiswal went down. Wow. So, Jayant has highest answer streak of 4. Effect of Namabhas. Eradication of sin. Liberation. Spontaneous attraction for Krishna's personal service. Both A and B. Hey, don't follow them. 48. 48 right answer. Correct. Both A and B. Premraj, Suvendu, Santosh, Binay, Radhakant in the top 5. Prem Raj and Shivendu are neck to neck. Offenseless chanting ultimately gives liberation, spontaneous attraction for Krishna's devotional service, freedom from all kinds of anartha. All of these spontaneous attraction for Krishna's devotional service, that is the right answer. Offenseless chanting ultimately, you have to read the question carefully. It says ultimately. Okay. So offenseless chanting ultimately gives, because when we continue offenseless chanting, Krishna will surely, by the request of Mahaprabhu, one day will descend as and will give us the pure name. So that is the right answer. Only 18 people have done right. What about the 4 of you? Did you right? You get the right? Buddha? Wow, Radha Kant went down. Himanshu is making a comeback with 3 in a row. So, Leela of Mayadevi demonstrates that Haridas Thakur was more powerful than Brahma, likes because of offenseless chanting, mere austerity, pure chanting, all of these. To Pawan Goyal, 34 participants have given the right answer. Pure chanting. It is pure chanting of Haridas Thakur that because of which Mayadevi could not defeat Haridas Thakur. You have to be in the level of pure devotee. Then only Mayadevi can bewilder anyone except pure devotee. So it has to be pure chanting, not offenseless chanting. Oh, such a fall of Subhendu. What happened, Subhendu? Giant has entered. And Vinay is still in the top 5. Premraj in the Everest, Mount Everest. Next. Gopal Chakravarti was afflicted with leprosy because Bhattacharya did not tolerate his offense to Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur took offense of his behavior. Krishna did not give his offense towards his pure devotee, Haridas Thakur. All of these. Wow, 50, the highest participants who have given the right answer until now. On this, Krishna did not forgive his offense towards his pure devotee Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur didn't take offense of the behavior of Gopal Chakravarti. So, somebody again fell down. Who is that? क्या रे कुछ गड़बड़ क्या हुआ? Okay. So, next. If one offenselessly utters the holy name, even imperfectly, attains pure love, One can be free from all the results of sinful life. One suffers from neglect of imperfect chanting. All of these. So 37 people gave the right answer. One can be freed from all results of sinful life. Okay. So actually, this is same as Namabhasa. This is same as Namabhasa. Even if one offenselessly utters the holy name, even imperfectly, so no problem. So you don't create any offense. Next. I have noticed. I didn't notice that Madhusudan Mukund has jumped into the top 5. Santosh now rolling the roost. He is in the Mount Everest. Giant also has entered into the top 5. Panchal has entered into top 5. Something interesting is happening. Next. Whose example did Haridas Thakur cite to justify the potency of Namabhat? Dhruva Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Bidari. उससे बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Adamila is the right answer. That is the right answer. 43 participants have given the right answer. Wow. There is some competition, tough competition happening. Santosh with 17,000 points in the top. Let's see. Attentive chanting is not possible by dealing with mind consistently or by any other mechanical means. Proving Krishna consciousness spirit by proper hearing. Guided chanting by an expert. You see, attentive chanting is not possible. Is not possible. Avoiding offense to the holy name. I think the highest people have given the answer, right answer to this question. Okay, my dear devotees, all this nice picture that has been uploaded this time has been done by Yamuna Devidasi. Please give 3 times Haribol. Wow. Madhusudan Mukund is riding on the ladder slowly and steadily. Who minimized the glories of holy name and paid a heavy price? Ramachandra Khan, Gopal Chakrabarti, Balaram Acharya, Hiranya Majumdar. Gopal Chakrabarti is the right answer. Is the right answer. So we had already one question regarding Gopal Chakrabarti, right? What was the question? Because yes. That question incidentally was made, the question number 14 was made by Suvendu. Himanshu has come to the top. Otherwise, the top 5 is unchanged. Congratulations, Himanshu. Now, multi-select question. Lord Chaitanya was made descent by Advaita Acharya, Krishna, Haridas Thakur, Srivas Thakur. Okay. So the right answer was Advaita Acharya and Haridas Thakur. There are many people that gave wrong answer in relation. नहीं, अद्वैत आचार्य के लिए तुम्हें पॉइंट मिलेगा. मिलेगा पॉइंट मिलेगा. Okay, so now let us say Advaita Acharya and Haridas Thakur. Popularly people know that this is Advaita Acharya, but according to Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Charitamrita, both Haridas Thakur and Advaita Acharya made Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to descend. So here we see no change in the top 5. Maya Devi, Mother Durga wanted to be initiated in Hare Krishna Mahamantra because chanting of Lord Ram's name gives liberation. Chanting Krishna's name gives extreme love for Krishna. To seduce Haridas Thakur. All of these. Chanting Krishna's name gives ecstatic love for Krishna. That is the right answer. She was chanting already Lord Ram's name. Okay. But she wanted the supermost love for Krishna. Wow. Giant in the top. What's happening to Ratan planet? In Prayag, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu flooded the area with love of Godhead. What did Rupa and Anupam see? Yes, some are crying and laughing while chanting Hare Krishna. Some are dancing and chanting Hare Krishna. Some are rolling in the ground while chanting Hare Krishna. So all of this is the right answer. 49 gave the right answer. So let's go to the next and see joint table. Madhusudan Mukund is steadily on the up. Himanshu in the up. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was offered a prayer by Rupa in prayer. Krishnam Rupakam Mahabalanaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Tapta Kanchana Gaurankaha Simha Griva Mahabhuta. Which prayer was offered by Rupa to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Wow, 51 people gave the right answer. This is what pleases me when I see above 50 people give answer. That's when my heart dances with joy. Wow. What is this joint? There is a 16 correct answer at that streak. Panchal, Madhusudan, Himanshu, Santosh. Wow, that is very strong fight going on. What did Vallabh Bhatt notice about Rupa and Anupama? Holding straw in her mouth, reciting Vedic mantra, chanting incessantly, praised by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
That's correct. From 50 days.
Everyone gave the right answer. In fact, this question was a repeat of previous to previous quiz. And still there are some. Please, those who are giving wrong answer, please correct your understanding. Okay? Chanting incessantly. Vallabh Bhatta saw that Rupa and Anupama were chanting incessantly, and that is why he was attracted to them. Wow, who God went down? Santosh went down. Prem Raj is fighting. Like Bhima and Arjuna. Let's see. Next. Seeing Rupa and Anupama chanting incessantly, Sri Vallabha quoted a verse. Which verse he quoted? Oh, so many people could not give the answer. The right answer is Aho Bat Sopa Chato Gariyan. This is a verse from Srimad Bhagavatam, I think 3.33.7 or something. This verse, even somebody is born in a Chandala family, if he is chanting incessantly, then one must know that he has already performed everything, tapas, everything, he has already performed. So that is the verse he quoted. And 25 only 25 gave the right answer. That is not very pleasing. In fact, Radhakant had suggested me to make this also as a question, but I had already made this question before he could write. Wow. Who fell down? Prem Raj fell down. Santosh made way. Okay. Next. Giant is, this is a multi-select question, my dear friend. This will change all equations. In response to Sri Vallabha Bhatta's appreciation of holy name, Mahaprabhu said, a devotee born in dog eater's family with the divine qualities is glorious. Penances and Vedic study without devotion or ornament on a body. Rupa and Anupama are less than only chant. A learned scholar without devotion is an atheist. My dear devotees, you can see in the bank of Ganga, my participating and those who can do well here, they will be at the level of Nimai participating. The multiple answers. My dear friend, I think majority of you have got it right. A devotee born in dog eater's family with the divine qualities is glorious. The right answer. See how Mahaprabhu is giving the juice of the Vedic literature. Penances and Vedic study without devotion are ornament on a dead body. Very powerful statements there by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. A learned scholar without devotion is an atheist. Atheist. And of course, Mahaprabhu would never say Rupa and Anupam are less than Sudra and hence can only chant. Okay. So this is beautiful. Let's see what's happening. Wow. Sunil, what's happening? Sunil, Himanshu, Jayant, they are all from Ratan planet. And the flag of Ratan planet is in the Everest Mount. Pata nahi, in the beginning they showed something. Chaitanya Charitamrita Mahakavya, Anand Vrindavan Champu, Gaura Ganodesha Deepika, all of this. Ah, I don't know. Yeah, this is a tough question. Tough question actually, because in the normally people know Kavi Karnapura is writer of Gaura Ganodasa Deepika and Ananda Vrindavan Champu we have read here, and in Chaitanya Charitamrita we read Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying that Kavi Karnapura in Chaitanya Charitamrita Mahakavya has elaborately written about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction to Rupa. So all of these is the right answer, and only 16 people gave the right answer. I think this is going to change the top 5 scenario completely. Let us see if I'm wrong, if I'm right or wrong. Wow! Radha Kandas marched past, and still Ratan planet in top 3. Oh, top 3 are from Ratan planet. That's amazing. And that's amazing. Again, multi-select. Daily engagement of Rupa and Sanatana are reside under a different tree every day while wearing torn quilt. Eat only dry bread and fried chickpeas. Consistently chant and speak for only 90 minutes daily. Wrote transcendental literature. The multiple questions. You have 50 seconds to answer. Lot of time. You can answer. Wow. All of them are right answer, my dear friend. Is it not so nice to see? How great are they? Reside under a different tree every day while wearing torn quilts. Ate only dry bread and fried chickpeas. Incessantly chant and sleep only for 90 minutes daily. Wrote transcendental literature. Let us worship Rupa and Sanatana from our heart and go to, I think that top 5 is not going to change. Wow, what happened? Wow, this Radhakant, he says, how can I be at the, at the bottom? My position is the Everest Mount. Giant Sunil. Oh, Himanshu went down. Santosh again. And amazingly, Panchal in the top 5. This Panchal always gets scolding from me, but he's always doing well in the quizzes. For how many days Rupa Goswami was taught by Mahaprabhu in prayer? 1 week, 2 months, 1 month. ये हमारा टीम इधर क्या हो गया है? Avan? Hello? Right? This picture that you are seeing is not of a prayer. 35 is the, sorry, 10 days is the right answer, and 35 people have done the, given the correct answer. It is 10 days. It is 10 days. For 10 days to be instructed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead is not an ordinary thing. Is not an ordinary thing. Top 5 has not changed because of this question. Yaha yasya harirdas karma manasa gira nikilaso vyavastasu jivan mukta sa uchyate. Who is the composer? Who is the composer? I am really crestfallen. I am really crestfallen. How one can say like this? We have discussed this during this Nama Yajna, and Rupa Goswami is the composer. Rupa Goswami is the composer, my dear friend, and I am very disappointed with the answer of yours. Only 29 have made right answer. Wow. Giant is slowly and gradually falling.
Akshay Bhaiya is back.
Where is Akshay? Akshay is back with answer streak of 3. Multi-select, wow. Which are popular statements of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Bhakti Mukti Siddhi Kami Sakali Asanta. Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagyavan Jiva. Va Vipra Kivanasi Supra Kena Noy. Ilasita Sunyam. Ana Karmadi Anabritam. 60 seconds. Some people also have given the answer to Anyavilasita Sunyam. That is wrong. No. Anyavilasita Sunyam Jnana Karmadi Anavritam. This is composed by Rupa Goswami. Lila Govind, are you doing well with your system? It is working. Okay. So, in fact, I have already talked about all these 3 verses. And so let's go next. Is there any change now in the top 5? Giant, Sunil, 2 from Ratan Planet. Santosh Radhakant from Gurukul campus. Panchal from Mumbai. What is happening to Bipul Arora? He was in the top in the beginning. What drives living entity wonder among 8.4 billion species? What steps Karma drives living entities to wander among 8.4 million species. And what saves them? Grace of Guru and Krishna. What is the phrase? What is this verse for this? Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagyavan Jiva. Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bija. So this is the, so 50 people have given the right answer. I'm very happy for this. And Jayant is going down the ladder. I don't know why. Which example does Prabhupada give as a recipient of grace of Guru and Krishna and the purport of this Brahmanda Brahmite? Pradari, Haridas Thakur, Sri Narada, this maid servant, Tamila. There are so many people made a mistake. Not Mrugari, I am afraid. It is Srila Narada, the son of maid servant. Prabhupada specifically says, doesn't matter which strata you are. Even if you are a maid servant, you can receive the grace of Guru and Krishna. Prabhupada specifically says that. So 32 people have given the right answer. And let's see, Radhakant still in the top. I don't think that he's going to lose his position now. Panchal, Santosh, Jayant, Sunil. How does gardener take care of Bhaktilata Bija? Who is the gardener? You can see nicely Haridas Thakur chanting 3 lakh names in front of Tulsi Maharani. What people gave right answer? Sravana Kirtana is the watering by watering. We do the watering by Shravan Kirtan. We have told that by hearing and chanting. And who is the gardener is the conditioned jiva. That is the right answer. So Panchal Santosh has gone to the top. So Gurukul in top. Gurukul from Ratan planet on top, now Gurukul in top. Why does Bhakti Kripa grow? That is grows, not wrong. Beyond Viraja, Vaikuntha, until it embraces Krishna's lotus feet. Bhakti Kripa needs spiritual study. Bhakti Kripa moves mountains for 5 transcendental rasa. Bhakti is different from Jnana, Karma, Siddhi. Only 18 gave the right answer. That is very shocking. My dear friend, Bhakti Kripa needs spiritual shelter, but Bhakti includes 5 rasas, and hence it cannot take shelter in Vaikuntha planets. Hence it goes directly to Krishna Loka. So this is little tricky, and I knew this is a tough question. And according to my expectation, only 18 gave the answer. I think Giant jumped. Sunil still there. Giant Sunil in the top 5. and Santosh, Radhakant are in the top 5. Panchal is also there. This Panchal is amazing. Eh? What is happening today, Ansul? Eh? It's not doing well. What is Bhakti Lata Bija? The idea that as a servant of Krishna, we must engage in devotional service. Grace of Guru and Krishna, chanting of Hare Krishna, all of this. The idea that as a servant of Krishna, I must engage in devotional service, that is the only right answer. Not all of this. Grace of Guru Krishna, we get Bhakti Lata. But what is Bhakti Lata? Bija. Okay. So grace of Guru Krishna is not Bhakti Lata Bija. We receive Bhakti Lata Bija because of grace of Guru Krishna. Right? So, and so chanting of Hare Krishna is the process by which we attain the transcendental bhakti. So next. So only 29 gave the right answer. In the top 5, there may be some changes. Yeah, Himanshu, Jayant, Sunil, these Ratan Planet Valley today are intoxicated with honey. I don't know. Next.
Honey can be intoxicated.
Yeah, honey is Balaram gets intoxicated. Chant from your heart. Chant with attentive mind. Chant while being situated in spiritual intelligence. Chant from the plane of Atma. All of this. Kare Ravi Prakash. So, stand while being situated in spiritual intelligence. So many times I have told this. So many times people have answered all of these. How could we? How could we? Chant from your heart means chant while being situated in spiritual intelligence. Okay. So that is the right answer. Wow. Santosh, Gurukul on top. Gurukul on top and Ratan Planet second. You see, Gurukul on top and Ratan Planet second. Once the Bhakti Kripa takes shelter of the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, what happens? The devotee attains perfection. Devotee attains to Mahabhava. Devotee regularly sprinkles the water of Supan Kirtan. All of this. You can enjoy the beautiful Radharani and her Sakhis. This is really shocking. How? Once the Kripa reaches the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, still we have to continue watering the Bhakti Lata seed until we attain prema. Even after attaining prema, still we continue watering the Bhakti Lata Kripa. So there is some mistake there. People say devotee attains perfection. No. Once it takes shelter, you only can make a connection with Krishna. You have to go to Rati, Nishtha, Rati, Asakti, Bhava and Prema. No. Devotee attains to Mahabhava. No. So only 17 people made a right answer. And let us see what's happening. Sunil in the top, in the second position, Santosh, Jayant, Himanshu, still in the top. There is no change. This may change everything. This is a multi-select question. Which offense to holy name is compared to Hathi Mata, red elephant by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Vaishnava Ninda, maintaining material attachment, inattentive chanting, Guru Abhagya. Okay. Two answers are correct are Vaishnava Ninda and Guru Abhagya. In fact, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says Guru Vaishnava Ninda. And then Prabhupada in the purport writes Guru Abhagya. And that is the reason for writing that. So let's see how that changes the top 5. Tarun Reddy. Wow. He displaced Himansu. Madhusudan Mayank is also very close, it seems. Let's see. Which are two witches in the path of devotional service? Vaishnava Ninda and Guru Abhagya. Then gratification and liberation, inattention and material attachment. All of these. We have covered everything. And gratification and liberation. That is the right answer. Majority have given the right answer. Sense gratification. If in our heart there is an attitude to gratify senses, and if we want liberation from material difficulties, we can never appreciate what is bhakti. No change. Wow. No change. Oh, Radhakant has maintained a distance way ahead of others. 3,000 points extra. I think it will be very tough where we are now. 40th. No, I don't think anybody now can. Multi-select. 2 side effects of devotional service. 2 side effects of devotional service. There is a verse. There is a verse. We in fact took on the verse. Sarvopadi vinirmuktam tatparatvena nirmalam. Rishikena rishikesa sevanam bhakti ruchyate. This was the translation says that there are 2 side effects of devotional service. Is free from material designation. Sarvopadi vinirmuktam. Tat paratvena nirmalam. Senses are purified. Okay. So that is right answer. Only 17 and 20. This is detachment, transcendental knowledge are not side effect. Wow. Panchal came on the top. Who fell down? Tarun fell down. Giant and Sunil and Radha and Gurukul on the top anyway. Love of Krishna manifests in two stages. What are those two stages? Variety of prasadam is there. I don't think that you should be allured too much by prasadam. Focus on the question. I like the attachment to Krishna through bhakti is the first stage. An intensification of that attachment results in love of Godhead. So when we always talk about Krishna, we associate with the devotees, we chant Hare Krishna, naturally we develop attachment for Krishna, isn't it? And when that attachment is intensified, that becomes love of Godhead. In love of Godhead, what manifests is the strong emotion, right? So 31 people gave the right answer. No change in the top. When Gauna Rasa appears suddenly and appears more fast than Sai Rasa, true or false?
Some Gunaras appear suddenly and appear more powerful than Kailas.
True. Right answer. 43 people gave. Why some people gave this is wrong? I don't know. So the Gauna Rasa or Upa Rasa, they represent the emotion. So emotion that is visible. Whereas the Sthai Rasa, that is the platform. From there, the emotion manifests. So emotion is more visible than the rasa. Wow, this is really amazing. Santosh is saying, Radhakant, I'm not going to make you, peaceful today. You have to give me a big fight. Pure attachment without reverence is found in Golaka. False. It's true. In Golaka, the devotees are so intensely connected to Krishna that they think they are equivalent to Krishna, they are equal to Krishna. They know Krishna's opulence as the master of all mystics, but their attachment, their love for Krishna is so intense that they don't care his opulence and hence without reverence. Okay, so top 5, they're not changing. Good chanting. This is a multi option. You have to enter multi option. 60 seconds is there. We are in 44th question. There are total 62. We have 18 more to go. It is possible some unknown may come and enter, go to the top. Let's see if that is happening. Okay. But still 9 people say chant as many rounds, my dear friend. That is not good, good chanting. Chant as many rounds. All others are correct. There is no sense to complete round. Time doesn't pass. There is no action within oneself except chanting and hearing. The heart is fixed in spiritual intelligence. Wow. So the highest score has gone to 54,000. Multi-select again. Ved chanting. Okay. The chanting too loud is not bad chanting. All others. So today onwards, make sure that while chanting, making plan for other services. Don't do that. Rushing through your rounds, don't do that. And if you are feeling tired, then revise your strategy, how to chant well. Okay? So everybody has done well here. So, okay. And there is no change in the top. Incessant chanting implies none of this. I don't know how people could give other answers as well. So incessant chanting implies none of this. This is a question provided by our great Subhendu. So next. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended watering of bhakti seed through Shravana and Kirtana for everyone, including pure devotees, must water their bhakti seeds using Shravan and Kirtan. This is again a question suggested by Subhendu, but I compose a little bit differently. Okay. So there is no change happening. Pure devotional service is defined as six people gave the right answer. Anya vilasita sunyam jnana karmadi anavrutam. In fact, this is a question suggested by Radhakant Das. Okay.
Santosh 60,000.
Eh? Santosh 61,000. Santosh, out of many millions of true Vedic followers, one may actually become dust, and among them, one is rarely a dust. This is spoken by Lord Mahaprabhu when he started giving instructions to Goswami. "47 people have given the right answer. Again, I'm very happy about this. Actually, this question was also suggested by Radhakant, and I just composed a little differently. No change. I thought Radhakant has made the 2 questions and he should go up, but it's not happening. Multi-select. Only devotees of Krishna are peaceful. Multi-select. It's a little tricky question. Multi-option is there. Still 23 seconds to go. Okay. The first 2 are the right answer. This is the verse. Bhukti, Mukti, Siddhi, Kami, Sakala Asanti, Asanta. And Krishna Bhakta Niskama, Ataiva Santa. So Karmis, Jnanis, Yogis are Kami, full of desires. Okay? And then Krishna Bhakta, they perform pure devotional service. Means they perform those activities that Krishna wants and that pleases Krishna. So whatever Krishna wants, if you do, Krishna will be happy. So hence they don't have their personal desire. They fulfill Krishna's desire. So, and all others are wrong answer. No change. What's happening? We are going to very close. I don't see now anybody can enter. This is 51st question. Chanting improves significantly by hearing Shastra nicely, developing intelligence. True. Everybody, wow. 3 times Haribol to everyone. For the first time, all participants are given the right answer. No chance. For good chanting, we need to put tons of effort to control mind. And some people made mistake. 44 right answer. It is false. For good chanting, we need to put tons of effort to control mind. During chanting, you cannot control your mind, Veda. You have to be, mind is always controlled by spiritual intelligence, right? And so there is no necessity of controlling mind here. If you are situated in spiritual intelligence, you will naturally hear. We are naturally deaf, but we should not direct it toward. There are 60 seconds. We are naturally deaf, but we should not direct. Yes, 49 have given the right answer. We are naturally envious, but we should not direct it towards Vaishnavas. Wow, this is something amazing happened, right? Subhendu has suddenly has popped up, and who? So that means all is Sunil is from Ratan planet. Santosh Radhakant from Gurukul still on the top. And amazing, this Panchal, he is doing amazing thing today. Bliss from pure chanting is like best. Bliss from Brahmananda is like best. थोड़ा pleasantly answer करें. मैं इतना टाइम था 60 सेकंड. पहले नोटिस कर लो. Bliss from pure chanting is like water contained in an ocean, while bliss from Brahmananda is like water contained in hoof print of a cow. And this is a general statement by all our acharyas in throughout the Shastra, and you should not make a mistake on this, right? Oh, the amazing thing, I don't know. Santosh is, can Santosh maintain the top position? Let us see. That is the only question we can ask now. Srila Bhaktivinoda Saraswati Thakur wanted his disciple to memorize the book. Chaitanya Bhagavata, Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita. You don't know? Don't know the answer? Right. One of our Prabhupada disciple, Bhakti Vikas Maharaj, has written a book on Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhava. It's a master class actually. If anybody wants to read, know about Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, they must study this book, right? Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhava. And Lila Govind has donated this book to me. I'm grateful to him for it. It's actually a master class. Maharaj has put a fantastic effort on this. There is no doubt about it. He was working when I was in Juhu temple actually. And so this is the statement. And I had told this point also in the class. Wow, this is amazing. This Ansul is amazing. 3 times Haribol for Ansul. Yeah, Subendu. Subendu went down. What is the original dhatu? The last instruction of Nimai Pandit to his students. What is original dhatu? Very clear, yeah. With patience, right? Don't. Krishna is the right answer. Krishna is the right answer. Okay. Some people might have done Chris, right? And that is what you see 21 answers are there. You also met Chris? Wow. So we don't know what's going to happen. Ansul has the highest answer streak of 20. This is why. Ansul, dedicate your life. And you are in the line of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Prabhupada, and then Ansul Acharya. In his last class in Sanskrit told, Lord Chaitanya and his students performed Sankirtan while Hari Haraya Nama Krishna Yadavaya Namaha. And I had told also during that discussion why Prabhupada allowed this song to be sung and exclusively only this one to be sung during the Mangala Arati. So 44 right answer. Wow, this is amazing. I can't believe this. Panchal in top. Panchal in top. There is heartbeat. who did descend to participate in Mahaprabhu Sankirtan pastime? Brahma, Shiva, Kumara, Krishna, all of the universe, all those who wanted to steal love of Godhead. What are the right answers? There are multi-options. Multi-options. Today, one fellow is really confused. Hey, all of them are the right answer. Brahma, Shiva, Kumara. It's Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writing. Even Krishna, Mahaprabhu made Krishna to descend in the form of holy name. And then all of the universe also participated. All those who wanted to steal love of Godhead, they also came. So my dear friend, this is Mahaprabhu's Leela is even super pristine than Krishna Leela. You must know this. Wow, this is Sunil. Sunil is in the top. Panchal was completely, Panchal was thrown out of the position. Under which tree Srila Rupa used to write, and the tree used to manifest spiritual emotion. If somebody is reading Akhaya's daily diary, should be able to answer this question without fail. Ter Kadam near Nandagaon. Ter Kadam near Nandagaon. That is the right answer. Wow. I don't see there is going to be any change, but let us see. The next question is the 60th. We have only last three. Multi-select. Good fortune arises when? This is little to me. कर दिया तुम लोगों ने? क्या आंसर दिया? One embraces Sri Krishna Sankirtana exclusively. One embraces Sri Krishna Sankirtana while engaged in occupational duty. Others cannot be right. Cannot be right. Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. That is the right answer. My dear friend, let us see what is happening at the top. Wow, Radha Kant is saying, I'm going to give a punch out knock to Sunil. Let us see. But Sunil is already 3,000 points ahead. Ansul is also in the top. Santosh, Radha Kant, Panchal, Sunil. This time completely different structure of the top 5. My misfortune is no single. My dear friend, many made mistakes here. My misfortune is, see, the first one, the previous one was the prayer 1 of Sikhastakam. And this is the prayer 2 of the Sikhastakam. I chant the holy name with offense. Okay? And, but I don't know why only 21 people gave the right answer. And I don't know how 29 people are saying all of these. No, 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 no. Wow. Panchal, who was in the top, has gone to 5th position, 4th position. Santosh was also on the top, he has gone to 3rd position. Now the competition is between Sunil and Radhakant Das. And this is the last question. And multi-select. Let us say, my dear friends, fault finder replaces, this is the exact, this, so the, wait. So this is the 3rd verse of Sikhastakam. Okay? Trunadapi sunichena. So when you are a fault finder, you lose the quality of humility. Trunadapi sunichena. Intolerant is there. Seek respect from others, that is also there. The only thing is sinful, because even if one's a symbol, one namabhasa can eradicate all the sin. So that sinful is not the reason why you cannot chant incessantly. The other 3 are right answer. And let us see what is happening now. This is going to be the, wow. Let us see who is in the Mount Everest. No, Mount Sumeru. Mount Sumeru. Santosh. 3 times Haribol to Santosh. Sunil. Wow. From Radhakant. So 3 times again Radhakant. He became number. Sunil is the 2nd. Santosh 3rd. This time, Gurukul flag is in the top. The Mount Sumeru place was touched by Radhakant Das. Okay, Now let us go to the report. Okay. Yeah. So who are in the top 5? Radhakant, Sunil, Santosh, Panchal, Ansul. All these 5 people, they deserve Haribol. And all of you, all 58 participants deserve all Haribol. So let us go to the report. View report jao na. क्या कर रहा है तू? इधर view report जाओ। Why this noise? Okay. So let us say, what is that? Where is that? Last time we had a percentage. Where is? Please do not talk among yourself. Okay. So now let us go to the point. Okay. So out of 60, Radhakant has given 50 right answer. Sunil also gave. Let me tell you, Santosh has given 52 right answer, but he was in 3rd position. Panchal has given 51 right answer, 4th position. Ansul 49 right answer.
They are not able to see this screen.
Acha. Okay, so you can see there, Ansul in the 5th position with 49 right answer. Ajay Gudla just missed the top 5 with 47 right answer. Vipul Arora is 7th position, 48 right answer. Subhendu is 49 right answer, but went below. Okay. So Tarun, this is Tarun. You see this Tarun and Himanshu next 2 position, and join Tarun Himanshu joined next 3 position. So Ratan Planet in the top, and then Tarun Reddy 12th position with 48 right answer. Sudhir 48 right answer, 13. Saurabh, Sai Saurabh. So basically all the Ratan Planet fellows, they deserve 3 times Haribol special. Haribol. So now Madhusudan next with 46 right answer. Akshay 44 right answer. Pavan 45 right answer. Pritam 43. You see Anmol has scored 48 right answer, but he has given the answers with time, because network may be the reason. So Anmol has done wonderfully well. Chahat, his friend, junior, 44. Abhishek Jaiswal, 44. Vinay Gupta, 46. This is all 664 fellows. Nitish Bharadwaj, 43. Who is Nitish Bharadwaj? Anybody? This is a Gurukul boy or a Gurukul teacher? Nitish Bharadwaj, anybody can tell? Eh? Vinayak, he is Acha, Nitish Bharadwaj from Dehradun. Okay. Nitish Bharadwaj ki jai ho. Vinayak Jivnes with equal score. And next, and Ravi Prakash has given more answers, but below Vinayak and Jivnes. Sanjay Parida, Professor Sanjay Parida, well done. Professor Saab, with all the responsibility, he has managed 39 right answers. Prem Raj, who was flying in high color in the beginning, I don't know what happened. He was with 40. Khushbu, wow, great, 39 right answer. Sanjaya Singh, 42. Govind Sethi, 43. Abhishek Pancha, Bansal, wow, that is amazing. Abhishek Bansal is doing so well, but we should give Abhishek Bansal 3 times Haribol because he is doing a great marketing job. Abhishek Bansal, you should talk to me tomorrow. I have something to talk to you. Piyush finally in the scene with 37 right answer. Sachin Sahu, 35 right answer. Leela Govind, 38 right answer. Jitendra Soni, 35. Gopa, 34. Gaur Gopal, 37 right answer. Gaur Gopal. Abhay, who is this Abhay Janava? I don't know who is Abhay Janava. Can somebody tell Abhay Janava who are they? 29 right answer. Archit Nagpal. Archit Nagpal? What is it? Archit Gupta. 29. Rahul Negi, 29. Adyavatar Das, 29. Ghai, 29. Venkat Raman, 28. Venkat Ratnam, 28. Madhumati Mataji. Acha. Madhumati Mataji has also joined in the competition. Congratulations, Madhumati Mataji, for joining. Devendra Arya, Swati, Lasmi. This Lasmi is our Subramaniam. Acha. Congratulations, Lasmi Mataji, for joining. Rajini Upreti, Achala Krishna, Vishnu Sukla, Sandeep Gupta, Poonam Arora, Rajat, Manoj, Kunal, Balaram, Ankit Sachan. Who is Gigi? Are you? Anant. Who is Anant? Dheeraj, Chiranjit Roy, Nikita or Nitika?
Ritika.
Acha. Ram and Santosh. Okay.